Hello guys, welcome to YouTube channel Phone Mania. So in today's video, we are gonna compare the Realme GT versus Poco F3 GT versus the Oneplus Note 2. So these are the one of the best handsets which is available around 30k. So Realme GT Master. So you could see, and on the Poco F3 GT. Okay, so actually the Poco F3 GT has a bit more advantage because it have OLED display along with 10-bit display. These two guys, that OnePlus Note 2 as well as the Realme GT, got just 8-bit display. Actually, if you say the difference between 8-bit versus 10-bit, it is not noticeable with the naked eyes, because I'll just show both right now. See, it is not noticeable, but the thing is it would have more shades. For example, if the 8-bit is having 254 colors, then the 10-bit would have 1024 more color shades, as well as the color grading, color scheming would be great. See, look at those displays. And the OnePlus Note 2 have some more options, like I would show you right now, like AI color boost and something like that. See in the display center, you could see two options like AI resolution boost, enhance the resolution of videos, as well as AI color boost. AI scene detection technology provides optimal color enhancement effects for your videos. This will increase the batteries. So nice. It is more sharp. If you turn on these two features, it will be more sharp on the what we call OnePlus Note 2. Let's quickly test the speakers too, because the Realme GT guys just got mono speakers, but these two guys as well as got the stereo speakers, and even the Poco F3 GT guys got dedicated speaker vents, because you could see one, two vents, and on the Note 2 it's got use the secondary speaker as this earpiece itself. Let's check it out. So guys, at first let's play on the Realme GT Master. Just mono speaker guys. Okay, actually it's just okay. Let's check it out, the Poco F3 GT. Oh, nice stereo first immersive surround sound experience also, because of the dual one stereo speakers. Okay, really nice. And finally, that was way better than the Realme GT. And finally to the Note 2. Oh, okay guys, so the surround sound experience was almost same on the Poco F3 GT as well as the Note 2, but the loudness, the Note 2 was really loud. That means a bit more loudness than the Poco F3 GT. But the Realme GT has a normal level of loudness as well as the stereo, no missing the stereo effect also. So that was a clear win for the Note 2, as well as the Poco F3 GT is also great, but I would say it's bit more louder over the Note 2, and then the Poco F3 GT, and finally it's missing the mono speaker, so its loudness is bit low, as well as the stereo effect was missing. So guys, that was regarding the touch sampling rate, display test, as well as the audio test on these guys. I have already done that antutu benchmark, geek benchmark, and the CPU throttle test, so I would drop the links in the description, so do check out that. Signing off, it's Phone Mania.